Ma'am, I'm an interior designer. Right now, I'm working on my thesis. Like, coming week, I have exams and jury and all, online only.
बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
Thank
बहुत
you,
जरूरत
ma'am.
होती है एग्जाम में इसकी। आई वाज
A
हॉरिबल एट
lot.
एग्जाम।
Yes, sir. A lot. I needed, like, this was much needed, no? So, right now, it's like I want to ask something. So, I have confidence issues, like confidence issues. So, I, I have, I like, I want to apply to different firms and I want to work as a employee, but I have confidence. Should I do it, or am I good enough to do it, or should I apply to this firm, or will they looking for me as a designer? So for boosting my confidence, I started learning new software. I know 3ds Max, Illustrator, Photoshop, AutoCAD. So I started like let's do SketchUp also. So I started learning SketchUp. I learned SketchUp in 1 month, everything with V-Ray extensions and everything. I created my project. Still I'm like, no, I'm still not good enough. So how can I boost my confidence this much कि हाँ ठीक है मैं apply कर दूँ और मुझे थोड़ा confidence आ जाए.
सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू ड्रिंक अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर राइट नाउ फर्स्ट। पहले पानी के बाद सेकंड चीज ये कि कॉन्फिडेंस इश्यूज हम सबको हैं। I once upon a time when I decided that I want to do this live Q&A, I didn't think that I was worthy enough to answer people's questions. ठीक है? This is the truth. Whenever we are doing something big, it is scary and we doubt ourselves कि कोई करेगा? मतलब why would they hire me? That is your
Yeah.
problem. Why would they? मुझ में ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं कि वो मुझे hire करें. When I started putting my content out there, I was like कि people will laugh at me. कि कहाँ कहाँ से उठ के आ जाते हैं लोग, ब्लॉग लिखने लग जाते हैं. When I started creating YouTube videos, I was even much scared because I was suddenly on camera. I had to interact with people directly. It was even much scarier. Is it scary? Does it look like that to you? No, right? So you have, whenever you're talking about work, there are two kinds of skills. There is one is your work skill and one is your personal skill. The issue that you're having is your personal skill, not your work skill. आपने सॉफ्टवेयर सीख लिए, right?
Yeah.
आपने अपनी थिंकिंग डेवलप करी. That is one thing that you need to work on. You have to have good design thinking if you want to be a part of your favorite offices. Other than that, as far as confidence issues are concerned, confidence issues, so, first of all, you have to think that you have to stop thinking so lowly about yourself, right? So,
Yeah.
whatever value, whatever you have to say, whatever your voice is, it is important. First of all, understand that.
Yeah.
ऐसे मत सोचो अगर आपकी thesis भी हो रही है, whatever you are showing to your jury,
Yeah.
don't like कि अब मुझे डांट पड़ेगी, अब ये गलतियां निकालेंगे, नहीं, you are providing value to them. Start thinking about it
Mm.
that, because what happens is, why do you think thesis jury में बाहर से practicing लोग आते हैं? वो सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं आते क्योंकि उनको पैसे मिल रहे हैं, वो इसलिए आते हैं क्योंकि उनको फ्रेश आइडियाज मिलते हैं, right?
Yeah.
So what
Mm.
put out there in your sheets, you are providing value to people, you just don't know that. Because
Yeah.
sometimes we're trained to think like कि तुम्हारी कोई value नहीं है, तुम तो student हो, you're shit, you're this, you're that. And this happened with me also, so that's why I'm telling you this. So while you are approaching a firm to hire you, you're not going to talk about कि हाँ मतलब हाँ you want to talk about कि मुझे ये softwares आते हैं. You want to talk about your design skills कि मैं इन projects के अंदर अच्छी हूँ. डिजाइन के अंदर
Mm.
मेरी ये चीजें अच्छी हैं. I excel in these aspects, right? I'm
Mm.
really good at residential projects, or I'm really good at picking upholstery. I'm really good at doing this. I'm really good at doing that. And you want to pitch yourself. आपको अपने आप को सेल करना है. आपको भीख नहीं मांगनी है. आपको अपने आप को सेल करना है that I am the perfect candidate for you, right?
Yeah.
Honestly speaking, they are looking for a person who can stand up for themselves and in the end stand up for their company,
Yeah.
right? Have to stop underestimating yourself कि मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, मुझसे ये नहीं होता. नहीं है, ऐसा सिर्फ आपके दिमाग में है. बाहर वाले के सामने आप जैसे पोर्ट्रे करोगे आप वैसे ही हो.
Yeah. Like I am confident about my projects कि हाँ ठीक है अगर मैंने ये बनाया है तो मुझे पता है हाँ ये मैंने सही बनाया है. तो अगर मुझे
हम्म.
कुछ चाहिए भी होता है तो I ask my mother or ask my teachers कि हाँ ठीक है just help me out if I am stuck in somewhere. But still I'm like I'm confident in my jury. I have given presentation and I'm too much confident about that. I have done 2 internships. उसमें भी मैंने बहुत excel किया and I get like I got appreciation. But someone like अब job के लिए am I ready for a job or should I study more or should I do something more? तो उसके लिए like ठीक
Are
है.
you ready for the job? If you've reached that stage, you're 100% ready for the job. It's just that your life is taking a new transition now. आपकी life change हो रही है. आप इतने सालों से अभी कॉलेज में थे, तो वो थोड़ा सा कंफर्टेबल था. अब वो लाइफ चेंज हो रही है, तो इसलिए आपको डर लग रहा है. बस.
हाँ maybe yeah.
हाँ, और कुछ नहीं है. और वो डर सबको लगता है. जब आप बाद में शायद मास्टर्स कर लोगे, उसके बाद भी तो जॉब करनी पड़ेगी ना. फिर डर लगेगा, राइट?
हाँ yeah.
डर लगेगा. वो कोई बात नहीं. ऋतिक रोशन की एड कौन सी है? डर के आगे जीत है. बस आप वही पी लो. पी लो.
Mountain Dew.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Question: How to deal with procrastination in architecture? You are actually procrastinating. मतलब आप अपने आप को ही वो कर रहे हो, and it is very natural. It happens with everybody. तो जितने भी पॉपुलर इंटीरियर डिजाइनर्स आर्किटेक्ट्स हैं, वो भी प्रोक्रास्टिनेट करते हैं. उनको भी दूसरे बड़े लोगों के सामने जाके लगता है कि यार ये क्या, you know, that's very, it happens to everybody.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. This will help me a lot. Like literally, this will help me a
You
lot.
need to drink water.
Yeah, I know. I will.
Yeah,
After
okay.
this.
So where are
Thank
you
you so
from?
much. Ambala. I'm from Ambala, Haryana.
अरे
Just near
यहाँ.
you. Just near you.
ठीक है. This is very nice to hear. चलो, बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर एग्जाम्स. मैं तो कभी एग्जाम्स में अच्छा नहीं कर पाई अपनी लाइफ में. आई होप बाकी सब अच्छा करे.
Thank you,
एंड
ma'am.
हैव अ हैप्पी संडे.